What's up, beauty bosses? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for watching, sharing, liking, and subscribing. Also hitting the little bell so you do not miss any updates from me. If you guys haven't noticed by the title, I'm a little bit upset with LV at this point. Like, I am an LV girl. I love them. But they have really hurt my soul right now. Like, they just hurt my soul, Lord. So I wanted to get on and just do a little rant with y'all because I know y'all get it. Like, I know y'all understand. So let's get into it. So I told you guys in my birthday video that I would be doing some more unboxings. And one of the items got here, and when I opened it up, I was just like floored. Like, I think that's probably the best word for it. It just was not something that I was expecting. So if you guys have been following me for a little while, you already know, but let me give the new people a little backstory. I am a huge LV girl. I actually got that habit from my mother. My mom is a big LV person. She's now venturing into all this other couture, but she loves their customer service. She talks so great about them. So I was like, you know what better time now to start my collection than right now? So I started investing in LV bags. Started doing that, I want to say about 2 years ago. Just getting, started with little pieces and worked my way up. And I really love LV, just not only because of the customer service or the service that you get when you go in, but also if you have an issue with an item, it's very easy to exchange it out. The leather is really good. The pieces are dynamic, have different options of pieces. I just love everything about them. So I always shop with them. Now I do dabble, of course, in Chanel and Gucci and Prada, but LV has been where I've started my collection. So once I feel like I've gotten all the pieces that I want to get from LV, which I don't think I'll ever say, okay, I'm done, because they always come out with something new and cute, then I will venture over into getting all the collections of things out of the other couture places that I want. But of course, I just start with LV. So got my item. I got two different things, but this video is just going to focus on the one. And let's open it and talk about it. So you guys know how it goes. Comes in this little duster. Always keep everything in the duster. I keep the boxes as decoration, but of course always take everything out and keep it in your duster because you don't want your leather to tear up. So this item is the LV Trio. Look at this. Look at this baby. So this is why I'm mad at LV, because y'all just take all my money. That's all y'all want to do. All y'all want to do is put out cute items, send me emails, invite me to these VIP things, have people text me and say, I was just thinking about you. We got this new item. And then y'all just take my money. All y'all want to do is just take my money. I should just have y'all on the payroll because y'all always are taking my money. Look at this. Look how damn cute this is, y'all. It is a trio patch. And look at the trio pouch, y'all. Let's just take a second. Let's just swing it. Let's swing it for a little bit. Let's let it swing so y'all can see. Look at this.
Let's just take a second. Let's just swing it. Let's swing it for a little bit.
Look. So this trio, number one, has a coin purse. So my other video, I talked about how the other purse had the coin purse on it. So now I have two. Has this little pouch here that's good for, it can carry, your mask, can carry some cards, carry a little lip gloss, whatever. And then you have the bigger one, can carry your phone, plus all the other things that you want to put in here. And it has this little keychain thing. If you don't want to carry them all on one thing, you can take this off and put your keys on it. Look, and it's two-tone. So this trio is the monogram two-tone. I think it's called Inside Out. Seen it, wanted it. Again, LV, y'all just take my money. Y'all just do me wrong because y'all just always taking my money, Lord. And look at that. It's just perfect. It is so cute. It's so cute. And it's just, I don't know what to say. Like, sometimes I just want to sing to it like, loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ah! Did y'all know I could hit them high notes? I'm sure y'all didn't. But anyways, back to the pouch. So, I mean, LV, y'all just make me so mad. Like, when whoever's watching this, one of y'all reps is watching it, whoever's watching it, y'all make me so mad because y'all make cute stuff and I cannot stay away. I can't do it. Can't do it, and I don't want to. That's the bottom line. I don't want to. I don't want to stay away because I love it so much. So, y'all, this trio pouch is going to hit you for about $1,300. But let me say that it's well worth it, because if you were to buy these pieces again separate, you're going to be coming out of more money. So might as well just take that one little hit, and you have several different pieces. You have things that you can mix and match. Like, I can mix and match these with my other sling purse that I got if I wanted to, and you know, you just have several different options. And you may think that since they're so small, they're not really valuable, but let me tell you, when you get 3 things, well, really 4, and you spend that money, you get to see how many different ways you can do it. Like, I have a backpack, as y'all seen in the other one. I only have that one way. Like, I can't really do much with it. I can't mix and match it. I can't take the straps off, nothing. So it is just a one-way thing. But things like this and things like my sling purse that I got, you can wear them multiple ways. So don't ever think that because it's small and it's a little pricey that you're not going to get some wear out of it, because once you start breaking these babies down, you definitely will. So wanted to jump on and kind of rant about Louis and how they just take my money. Just take it. Just throw it. Like, just bam. Just throw it, because I can't stay away. It's an addiction, y'all. Addictions ain't healthy, I know. But I've given up. I've given up trying to stay away from couture, and I just own it. I own it, and hey, I just ride around and I'm getting it. So, wanted to jump on, talk about that trio with y'all. How do you guys like it? Do you guys like it? Is it something you'd invest in? Do you have it? Has Louis gotten you too? Have you guys become addicts to the Louis? Like, let me know. Guys can hit me on social media. This is Asia Ray Cosmetics. Hit me at my email, asiaraycosmetics@gmail.com. Or my favorite way, you can drop me a comment down below. Let's chat about it. Let's talk. Let's talk about this LV. Let's talk about what are some things that are on your wish list from LV or from Gucci, Chanel, Prada, wherever. Let me know. I want to check them out. See what y'all working with, what y'all want to get, what y'all have. Let's chat about it. But in the meantime, I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for being here and following me on my crazy journey and following me and being so sweet to me and so kind with your kind words. I love you guys all. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Peace.